We're off to Gollum, and apparently this is the bus stop, even though you can just about read it. There's no signs or anything, this is it. There's no anything to show it's actually a bus stop, apart from just about read it, I think. I hope it does anyway. So this is Durres, part of Durres Beach, and Durres is over there. We walked it from Durres, which is about 8 miles, and then when this is the Durres beach design. We've inherited a dog, I think, and this is now on the posh paving here. We're in Gollum, and that part is Durres. So you're in a different city now, and I think Gollum's a bit nicer actually than Durres. It seems very clean. Yeah, it's very clean and different. But I think this beach is about 4 or 5 miles long, so, and then you get to the actual city town of Gollum. So we'll just, yeah, I think the hotels are a bit better here. They look a bit better. They're all brand new. So whether there was nothing here a few years ago, or I don't know, but they seem newer to me and more modern. You know, restaurants are better designed, and the walkways are a lot better. And you'll see plenty of these disguised bunkers, because when the communists were in power, Comrade Wojciech, I think that's what his name was, he thought they were going to get invaded by NATO. So they built 40,000 bunkers. People try to sell us fruit and stuff like that, as you always get on the front. Yeah, look at these beach bars. You could be anywhere in the world, and it's a lot nicer. Whereas in Durres Beach, you've got apartments, and then you've got a hotel, and you've got some apartments, somebody's house, somebody's bungalow, and then a bigger hotel. And seems like this has all been designed in one go, or built in one go. Yeah, it is a bit like Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, if you've been there. So if you're going to walk it, it says 3 hours on Google Maps. We've done it in like 2. Straight down the front, and you can stop at all these beach bars on the way, but you're not going to die of thirst anyway. So it's like 30 degrees today, and there must be like a bar every 10 foot. So you know, you're not going to drop. Yeah, it's about 30 now. So when you've got to the end of the promenade or walkway, you come to this roundabout, and if you go up that street there, that is the main street, and there's a bus stop there to various destinations apparently. So just find this bit of whatever it is, Hull or something, and then walk straight up, and then you should get to the bus stop. Yeah, so this is the town centre on the way to the bus stop. Still a few hotels around here, actually in the centre. You can tell it's down the main street. It's got these flags on it, traditional woven. Yeah, there's quite a few hotels in this centre bit as well. I don't know if this main street carries on over the motorway, because there's a motorway, dual carriageway right up here. So we're playing Hunt the bus stop, and none of the other bus stops have got any signs on. And if it wasn't for Google, which I thought had messed up, and it doesn't look like a bus stop. So we're going back to Durres now, but there's a bit of graffiti on the thing. So if I'm seeing that on this electric box here, if I hadn't seen a bit of graffiti, would have never found it. But whether the bus stops here or not, I don't know. So maybe somebody's just joking. I'll give it 20 minutes. Yeah, I think we found it. I think this is the bus stop. But please, Albania, do one thing. Just get some orange paint and write bus on the floor. Or stick a sign up or something. But here we go. Oh, no, we don't. Oh, I thought it would come in here. Oh. Yeah, so all Gollum is brand new hotels. Brand new. Or being rebuilt, or being built, I mean. The buses are alright. There's plenty of people complaining about buses, but they're exactly the same buses what got home. So, yeah. Obviously don't collect the bus, don't get on the bus at rush hour. I think that's a lot of people going, must have been, who were complaining about the buses here, must have been using them during rush hour. But in the afternoons are fine. The bus station.